Modern televisions are designed to look simple, a single reflective slab of black glass with no visible seams or internal components. This exploded view schematic reveals the internal layers required to create that effect: outer housings, internal wiring, control boards, and the display panel itself. Opening this assembly requires extreme precision. As shown in the highlighted hazard zones, a slipped tool can shatter the panel, while static electricity or residual power pose immediate risks to the technician. Avoiding these outcomes requires moving past guesswork. Safe service work relies on model-specific manuals and a disciplined teardown sequence that tracks every screw and connector. Success inside the chassis depends on navigating a delicate map of modules, where every connector, ribbon cable, and board is treated as part of a high-stakes electronic environment. Disassembly begins with total isolation. The unplugged unit is placed face down on a professional anti-static work mat, supporting the glass to prevent surface damage. The technician then identifies the stand screws. Because screw counts and placements vary by model family, the specific service manual must be consulted to confirm the count before any parts are removed. Removing the rear shell requires a controlled release. Using a specialized open jig or the specified removal sequence prevents the plastic cabinet from cracking or applying lethal pressure to the panel beneath it. The plastic exterior serves as a protective barrier. The care taken to bypass it determines whether the internal components remain viable for repair. Once the shell is removed, the challenges shift from mechanical to electrical. This is a layout of a switched-mode power supply board. These pulsating icons represent large capacitors, storing high-voltage electricity long after disconnection. Technicians must ensure the power supply is fully discharged and verify the voltage drop before touching internal boards to prevent lethal shocks. The boards face electrostatic discharge risks. A single spark of static electricity carries enough voltage to instantly destroy the sensitive semiconductor devices within the TV. Mastering these electrical safety protocols is as vital to a successful repair as the physical disassembly itself. This diagram shows the internal chassis layout. The main board and power supply are separated into distinct modules, while the highly fragile chip-on-film ribbon cables run along the bottom edge of the panel. Because dozens of unique ribbons and wire routes link these zones, relying on memory during reassembly leads to cable pinching or incorrect seating. Instead, the process uses photographic mapping. Technicians document the exact seating of every ribbon cable and the specific pin orientation before anything is unplugged. Perimeter screws are only removed once the connectors are safely mapped and disconnected, ensuring the board can be lifted without snagging or damaging the pads. A component is only safe to extract when the technician has established a meticulous record of its exact position and connections. Reassembly is defined by a mirror image standard. Putting the TV back together requires following the teardown sequence in exact reverse order. This requires checking every connector to ensure it is fully seated. Even a single ribbon cable pinched under the rear shell can cause a short circuit or display failure once power is restored. Mechanical precision also applies to the screws. This torque gauge shows the tight tolerance range required for chassis screws to maintain the structural integrity of the heavy display panel. Successful reassembly restores the original factory equilibrium, ensuring both electrical and mechanical systems function as intended. The rigor of the teardown process provides the foundation for effective electronics triage. By methodically opening the chassis and isolating modules, a technician can identify whether a failure is limited to a swappable board or the internal wiring. It also defines the absolute economic boundary of repair. If the glass panel itself shows microfractures like these, the unit is typically beyond practical repair and requires a total replacement. This layered methodology provides the technical judgment to differentiate between a simple board replacement and a terminal panel failure. To learn the complete hands-on workflow, check out Disassembling and Assembling a Samsung Flat Screen TV, available now for free on The Great Discovery at thegreatdiscovery.com.